Today I'm going to express my view on the topic a discipline, Anushasan. What is a discipline? Discipline means what? It's kind of training in that you're going to control your emotions and make yourself focus. It is not only for the teachers. It is important for everyone. अगर आप अनुशासन में रहते हो तो आप जीवन में जो भी करना चाहते हो और जो भी पाना चाहते हो यू कैन अचीव इट. आपने कई बार देखा होगा कि कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं संसार में जिनके पास सुप्रीम पावर है एंड दे आर एबल टू मैनेज एवरीथिंग. व्हाई? बिकॉज ड्यू टू डिसिप्लिन ओनली. It reduces our stress and tension. It makes us to plan to do the work on time. Just now I said that it reduces your stress and tension. Like I'm a teacher. If I manage my work, if I'm doing my work on proper time, it reduces my stress and tension. And I become a good teacher and productive teacher for the children. हाँ, यह इसमें बहुत परिश्रम करने की जरूरत पड़ती है. डिसिप्लिन आदमी में ऐसे नहीं आता. इट्स काइंड ऑफ तपा एंड तपस्या. बट regularly if you're doing certain tasks, it make you to become a discipline. It helps us to control your behavior, emotions, and you can do wonder. Thank you.